today. It's a time to be grateful and appreciative of all the things that we have, all the blessings we have in life. One of my blessings is that Nathan Myers. 25 years ago, he came to Marlin, and just to kind of let you guys know, we were only 16,000 square feet at that point, and most of the employees were from New York, okay? We were just in these, right where that blue Marlin sign is, and where the AIM is. That's how big the building was when Nathan joined our team. And when he joined our team, more than half the people spoke Spanish, because they came down from Brooklyn, New York, and that's where our talent was from. Nathan was an out-of-the-box rock star, just phenomenal with his clever ideas for tooling, unique ways to approach things, and he's been such a wonderful teammate for many, many, literally decades. And it's like I said, Thanksgiving is a time for thanks, and I am thankful that Nathan is here. He has crushed it, thousands and thousands of really smart ideas, happy clients, and the other thing is he's a really nice guy, okay? I mean, and he's just a pleasure to be around. So today is 25 years of his being part of our family, and I'm happy to announce that he's acknowledged and agreed and signed a contract for an additional 25 years. So today is the midday point of his career. Just a couple things about Nathan. He's one of the employees at Marlin that met a president, and we're really honored that he represented all of us when we met with the president. Separately, because this is such a huge milestone, 25 years, we're changing our policy. From now on, called the Nathan policy. We're adding an extra week of vacation when you hit this level. So this is a note that reflects that new policy change. So Nathan will be enjoying an extra week vacation, and I just wanted to. So you'll be the first person to enjoy it. Okay? This is the Nathan policy. Yeah, that's the policy for everybody. Exactly.
Right behind me.
Not too far. When is your day?
I think I'll be on 19.
That's awesome. So everybody knows that Nathan is a unique person, and he's got a lot of cool hobbies, and one of them is likes certain fancy things, nice things, cool things, and this is a little gift that little thank you gift, and it's I think you'll enjoy it when you open it up. And we have a second gift. That's the first gift. And here's the second gift. Okay, so you can go ahead and open them.
Recognize the box. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. That's very nice. Thank you.
So show everybody what.
Thank you, everybody.
With the Marlin engraved.
Yeah, Marlin. Very nice. That's my eldest.
This is a vintage Italian pen. Big pen guy. So. It would have been weird to get you a gun today.
Oh,
A pen is a little more, it follows the employee manual.
Yeah. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. We're so happy you're here. Thank you. So let's eat. Let's celebrate.
Nathan, there's one more. Marlin, that's been in my office for 7.5 years, belongs out on the floor. So you get to take that, mount it above your area. Across
Put it on the AM.
What's that? I think fish.
Oh, okay.
So he's out here, yeah. You're the new caretaker of the Marlin. My wife gave that to me when I started
I
here.
remember that.
Day 1 or day 2. Cool.
Thank you.
All right. Cool.